Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning, WEITV. Thank you for joining us for another weekly weather edition, sponsored by Westward Environmental. And let's go ahead and take a look at last week's weather. We had a nice weekend. Temperatures were decent, little rain. However, on Monday things changed. We had an upper level low. Earlier last week we thought it was going to go up to the north, but it actually tracked south across us, which was very beneficial. And we got rainfall amounts towards the I-35 corridor around a ½ inch. Further west in the central portion of the Texas Hill Country, we got around 1 inch if you were lucky. And then farther southwest in the western portions of the Hill Country, we saw higher rainfall amounts, strangely enough, ranging from about 1 inch to 3 inches. And a lot of that heavier rainfall fell south of the Texas Hill Country. So the low pressure pushed off and we had a cold front that trudged through our area on Wednesday. Didn't really change a whole lot. High temperatures were in the 60s and 70s and low temperatures were in the 40s and 50s. What is up for our next coming week? We'll take a look in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather forecast for this coming weekend into next week. If you remember back this summer, it seemed like it was a broken record. High pressure sitting over the area. We didn't get a lot of rainfall. It all went up to the north or around us. Well, things have changed to some extent. The La Nina pattern has changed a little bit. It's less strong, and so we're getting more frequent rainfall events come through the area. So a little plug in a couple seconds here, we're going to get to the next rainfall event. This weekend, however, though, we're going to be looking at nice temperatures, mild, highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s, maybe a little drizzle on Saturday and Sunday mornings and isolated showers possible. If you do get anything, rainfall amounts this weekend will be on the light side and would be located more towards the eastern side of the Texas Hill Country. Now for the Monday-Tuesday time frame, things begin to change. We have an upper level low coming across our area again, which is nice. A welcome change to the weather pattern in comparison to the summer. This low will come across Monday-Tuesday time frame. It'll usher in more moisture and we have another chance for some rainfall. Looks pretty good, anywhere about 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch. And then that drags a cold front through Tuesday. We cooled down just a little bit for the Wednesday through Friday time frame, but it's going to be dry. High temperatures in the 60s and lows in the 40s. We would also like you to know about a project ongoing with Cow Creek. We've teamed up with them, WEITV and Cow Creek Groundwater Conservation District. We'd like you to take a look at some videos we're beginning to post on their website, strictly due to drought-related issues and long-range forecasts. So go ahead and take a look. Also, we're going to change things up just a little bit next week into the following week. We're going to have a weather outlook this coming Monday, and it's going to take us in through the rest of the Thanksgiving holiday season and into the following week. So keep tuned to us here on WEITV on Frequency YouTube. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff, and we thank you for Westward Environmental for sponsoring this video. We also want to wish Mr. Donnie Mitchell a great weekend as he is getting hitched and taking a ride into that adventure.
You know the Weather Channel's right, so why do you put up the fight? Go ahead and steal your stuff from them. The temperatures you give a range, it's so wide, subject to change. You might as well just tell us you don't know. Does that Donnie Mitchell have the mange? His dragon tail, it was quite strange. I hear there are tornadoes on the lake.
Here comes the bride, leaving in a double wide. Oh, Donnie.
Good job.